So in this video we'll be learning how to find the square root of any number that is not a perfect squared. Now, using this formula, you can be able to find the square root of any number that is not a perfect squared. Okay, now using this formula, you have n equals the square root of n, which n represents the non-perfect square number, equals the n, which is the perfect square number, plus the nearest perfect square number, all over 2 multiplied by the square root of the nearest perfect square number. This is the formula that you can use to find the square root of any number that is not a perfect square. Very simple and short. So let's take an example. Okay, now for example, we have the square root of 23. 23 is not a perfect square. So how can you look for the square root of 23? Using the formula which says the non-perfect square number is 23 plus the nearest perfect square. Now, the nearest perfect square to 23 is 25, because 25 is perfect square, because the square root of 25 is 5. Okay, all divided by 2 multiplied by the square root of the nearest perfect square, which is also 25. Okay, so let's calculate. So here we are left with 23 plus 25, which is going to be 48, all over 2 times, what is the square root of 25? Very simple. 5 times 5 gives us 25. So the square root of 25 is 5. So here we are going to be left with 48, all divided by 2 times 5. And 2 times 5 is what? 10. So 48 divided 10 equals to 4.8. As simple as that. Now, with this formula, you can be able to find the square root of any perfect square. So go ahead and try it with any other numbers. I hope this video is very useful to you.